Hi everybody and welcome to my pop-up video. So today is Wednesday. Happy Wednesday. So we had another snowstorm in New Hampshire yesterday. A snow slush ice storm. So it's probably about 4:30ish as of taking this video on Wednesday. And I had to drop off Eloisa to gymnastics. And so I came in very briefly because I'm taking the day off today. But since I was here, it's like, well, I got one empty board. So this will be my one and only pop-up for today, okay? And I'll be back in the studio tomorrow. All right, well, let's get started. All right, it's another one I kind of have to squeeze in there, so bear with me. All right, number 76. This one is $3, a little vintage piece. 76. And then 77. It's a metal piece, and that one is $2. 78, this is a pair, really pretty. And that one is $5. 79, the Swarovski rounds. Nice full pack, $12. Number 80, these are glass, they're faceted, chocolate colored glass beads, $8. Number 80. Number 81, these are also glass. Some red ones. They have that rubelite red color. So these glass beads, $5 on 81. 82, these are vintage brass pieces. And those are $4. This is a little pendant, $3. And then 84 are two matching pendants, $5. 85 is a mix of different metals. Pretty heavy bag. All metal beads. Really nice ones. $8. Number 85. These are purple glass. Oh, these are vintage Chanel's without the brass rounds. So really pretty. I just have a little bit of the purple ones. $10. These are also the vintage Chanel's. These ones are faceted though, and then they have the brass around them. So nice big bag. $10. I have two of them. Number 87. 99. I'm not sure if this is brass, but it's metal nonetheless. And those are $5.99. 98. This is vintage glass or more colored glass jewels. $5. 97. These are vintage brass pieces. $6. All right, these ones. This one is a set. There's 4 of them, but only one has the enamel on it. So $3 for the set. 96. 95. These are metal beads. Some really nice ones in there. $8. The mix. 95. These are all glass, little ones. The chocolate colored faceted glass beads. $8. 94. 93. Sparkle beads. I think these are acrylic. And then the ones in the middle are metal and they have little rhinestones. $6. And then 92, these are brass pieces. $6. Oh, some more of these kitty cats. Another pair of kitty cats for only $6. I love these. We had a pair on the other board yesterday. Number 90, little vintage piece. These are all connected to each other. This one is $3. These are glass, the same chocolate colored, just different shape. Little donut shapes. $8. And then 88. These are metal pendants. And those are $6. There's quite a few in there. All right, sorry. It's bending over here. Okay, number 100. Oh, yes, the ladies. Our metal ladies, remember those? Someone keeps grabbing these. These are really cool. Number 100. I forget who it is, though. Get the rest. All right, here's some more of these little bags of multiple pendants. Nice ones in there. 15, you get them all. Number 101. 102 is a 3-pack of the glass owls. Oh, 3-pack. $18. Reminds me of the Three Sisters. All right, 103. This is glass. And this is $6. I have 2 of them. 104 is a mix of different metal pendants. Oh, that one's pretty. Huh? It's a sparkle. $5, and this is another glass, chocolate covered faceted glass. $8. 106. I don't think these are glass. I think they're acrylic made to look like glass. Little pink pendants. $6. 106. This is some Chanel's, around Chanel's. We just saw the purple ones. These are the, I guess the teal. Really pretty. So these don't have holes. These are vintage. $10 each on 107. 108. I love these metal beads. $8. 109. These are earring findings, and these are $1. 109. Here's some more Chanel's, but the red ones. I only have one pack of them. $8 for the red. Ooh, those aren't even red. Those are like those are a red, sunset red orange. See, they turn a whole different color with the light that goes through them. It's cool. All right, 111. These are glass pendants. Green glass pendants. $8. 2 bags on 111. All right, I did find some more of the smaller barrettes. 1, 2, 3. I did. I don't know if we had the same exact size, but anyway, I think the ones we had maybe a little smaller. But either way, these are $6 each. I have 3 of them on 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I don't quite remember. All right, 1, 2, 2. These are cubes. I want to say they're glass or metal. Glass coated in metal. 1, 2, 2. These are really pretty. So I have a few of those. 1, 2, 2. $6. And then I have these glass cubes. And this is the white and the blue. $6. And I have 3 of those on 121. 120. Little metal connectors. Wait. No, pendants, sorry. There's a couple together, so like the connectors. $4. Here's some more vintage brass pieces. $8. And some more vintage, not sure what these are, to be honest with you. Findings of some sort. These are vintage. $5. 118. 117. These are wood. I believe they're wood, yeah. Purple one's $8. 116. This pendant is $3, and that's 116. And then 115. These are glass. Pretty color. $6. And 114. Little flowers. Little metal flowers. $3. And then I have these metal mix of metal pendants. These are some are antique, vintage. There's a few different ones in there. $4. And last in the corner back here, 112. That's metal piece. $4 for that one. That's a pretty one. 112. Okay. So let's move my camera back. There we go. All right. So that concludes this pop-up show for today. So like I said, I'll be back in the studio tomorrow. I do plan to go to Rhode Island. I was supposed to go today, but the weather, I couldn't go. So I plan to go on Friday morning if all is well. And yeah, and Sarah will go live at some point here. She's planning on going live tonight, I believe. She'll post a link in the messenger group. And remember, Rachel and Mark are traveling. They're everywhere, so definitely keep an eye out on what they're doing. Lots of nice stuff when they go to Tucson. So lots of good things going on at Three Sisters. And it looks like Rose is renovating her room, so that's pretty cool. But anyway, a lot going on at Three Sisters in 2026. So all right, guys, I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.